सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 17, verse number 4. यजन्ते सात्विका देवान् यक्षरक्षांसि राजसाः प्रेतान् भूतगणांश्चान्ये यजन्ते तामसा जनाः. Lord Krishna, dealing with the topic of three types of Shraddha or threefold Shraddha, that which presents the human character as a person express his character based on that Shraddha. Shraddha is an internal faculty. You cannot see with your eyes. It is invisible. Aprathyaksham. Then how to know this person, what type of Shraddha he has got? By expression. In many ways he expresses or she expresses. Shraddha is not a belief system. I told you in the last class. Shraddha means faith. Faith means belief. This is the literal meaning of Shraddha, where you see the dictionary translation. But Shastra looks at this Shraddha as a much more deeper sense. It is not a type of belief blindly to follow, but Shraddha means an attitude towards one's life. An expression of attitude towards one's life is called Shraddha. Towards one's life means towards every action, whatever you undertake, your Shraddha is expressed. How Shraddha is expressed? For example, your Shraddha can be expressed towards your parents. That means your attitude towards your parents. Your Shraddha can be expressed towards money. That means your attitude towards money. Your Shraddha can be expressed towards your children. In Tamil, they call it as Akkarai. Akkarai enna Shraddha enna. Akkarai illamale pandriye enna Shraddha illamale pandriye enna. Akkarayoda pandrathu enna artham? I like it, I love it to do that. That is Shraddha. The Shraddha can be expressed towards God. The Shraddha can be expressed towards your puja. The Shraddha can be expressed the way you dress up. The Shraddha can be expressed throughout your hairstyle. All mundane activities also. The Shraddha can be expressed through your nails, how you take care of. Innu further children, how you take care of your eyebrows. Some people take lot of Shraddha on their eyebrows. Pujya Swamiji says, Swamiji met one lady in abroad. Swamiji asked, what is your livelihood? How? Swamiji, I should not say loudly, I tell you secretly, Anna. What is your job? She took Swamiji, Pujya Swamiji, Dayananda Saraswati, to a big, her house, very big house. How you have constructed this house and all? What is your job? What you are doing? She said, my job is nothing to pluck the eyebrows. She has got a beauty parlor, that's all. And plucking the eyebrows. You can understand how many people having their Shraddha towards eyebrows. Eyelashes, they have Shraddha on their pallu set, alignment, they have Shraddha. And what not, everything you can develop Shraddha. Your attitude, your liking towards everything is called Shraddha. So, when we have choice, all of us have choice in terms of what to do, what not to do. We have a lot of options. That is problem also sometimes. Sometimes there is advantage, sometimes many times there is a disadvantage when you have an option. That is choice. So the choice is this or option. Either I can do this way or that way. So my Shraddha shows in this also. So option is I can hurt others, I can avoid hurting others also. There is option. I can go to so and so place, I need not go also. There is an option. I can choose this type of food or other type of food, I have an option. So every human being has got an option or choice. This choice or option, whether to do wrong or right, there is choice. So, to do right or to do wrong, there is an option, choice. Determined by what again? Swabhavaja. Lord Krishna says, based on their temperament, their Shraddha is expressed. Based on their temperament, Swabhavaja means the disposition of their antahkarana, the mental disposition. How their mind, Swabhava means antahkarana, nature, their Swabhava. Sattvanurupa sarvasya, Bhagavan said in the previous shloka, in the third shloka he said, Sattvanurupa sarvasya shraddha bhavati bharata. Hey Arjuna, Shraddha sattvanurupa bhavati, based on their temperament. Based on their temperament, Shraddha bhavati. Yat Shraddha sa eva saha. What is his Shraddha? It is Hena. What exactly Shraddha he has, exactly he is an artha. That person is. As person's Shraddha, exactly as person is. Shraddha eppadiyo, appadi. So very, I can call it, it's very difficult to understand this word, Shraddha. You can study the whole character of the person. You study means not to study others' character. Okay. To understand our character first. What type of Shraddha I am having. Because the Shraddha based on my temperament, antarangam, internal disposition. A question may arise. If suppose a person going a wrong way, going against the natural laws, universal laws. What I said, it is rubbing against to the Ishvara, Ishvara's order. Once you go against to Ishvara's order, that is adharma. What do you mean by dharma? Dharma is nothing but which is naturally inbuilt in you, that common sense, that sensitivity to universal laws, LAWS, okay. Spelling correct LOSS and put ellame laws da. LAWS, laws. Universal laws and human-made laws. In universal laws, there is no compromise. So if you go against to universal laws, you know internally in your inner conscience says it is wrong. You know that. But you go suppose against to that Ishvara's order, universal law, you are creating a friction between your personality and the Ishvara's order. Why you are going against? Because you have choice. You have an option. That option, that choice makes the person to go against to Ishvara's order. Violating laws. Going against to Ishvara's laws means what? Violating dharma. Violating your inner conscience. Your inner conscience always dharmic. இது அசல் விஷயம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப சீக்ரெட். இதெல்லாம் சீக்ரெட் தான். ஆனாலும் வெளியில சொல்லியிருக்கோன்னா சாஸ்திரம் இஸ் ஓப்பனிங் த ஹோல் திங். யுவர் இன்னர் கான்ஷியஸ், அது ஆத்ம சாட்சின்னு சொல்லுவ, மனசாட்சின்னு சொல்லுவார். அந்த யூனிவர்சல் லா அண்ட் யுவர் மனசாட்சி ஆர் ரியல்லி அலைன்ட். பேசிக்கலி எவ்ரி பீயிங் இஸ் அலைன்ட் வித் த யூனிவர்சல் லா அண்ட் இன்னர் கான்ஷியன்ஸ். So everyone knows what is wrong, what is right. For that they need not do any PhD. It is simple common sense, everybody knows. But why a person violate universal laws and go, even though there is a lot of friction in his personality when he goes against to that, there is a lot of friction, lot of disturbance, lot of turmoil. In spite of that also, why he goes that? Because of kama, raga, because of attachment, desire, taking a wrong option, lack of knowledge. That's why he take wrong option, wrong choice, and later he suffer. That is also because of temperament only he goes. Shastra vidhim utsrujya. He goes against the Shastra. Therefore he takes his option wrongly. There is a friction in his personality. A temperament, according to that he goes. It is threefold. Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Trividha bhavati. Is there any way to come out from this choice? Why a person take wrong options, wrong side? Is there any choice, or he has to go according to his temperament? Shastra says he can change, he has to change. That is called cognitive change. In Pujya Swamiji's language, the children cognitive change. Change your thinking pattern, that's all. You know what is right and what is wrong. You have option, you have choice. But in this choice, you have to take a right choice, but not wrong. You take wrong choice because of your temperament. Many times you take wrong choice because of your temperament. Because of your thoughts go in a wrong way. So what? Change your thought pattern. So you can take the option, what option given to you, right option you will take. Even the both are there. I can say, I can tell lie, I can speak truth also. Two are there in front of me. I know this is wrong option. Telling lies is a wrong option, I know. Telling truth is a right option. I know. But what to take? Right or wrong, I know. So Shastra says, suppose your temperament is going towards telling lies, change your thought. Cognitive change. Suppose I know I can hurt, I need not hurt. But my temperament is hurting, suppose, my swabhava. Suppose a person, a drunkard, no? Alcoholic person. His temperament is what? Once he is an alcoholic, what he does? First thing is beating his wife. Throwing things, beating his wife. He knows that, but he has taken wrong option. So that wrong option he takes and he hurts. He has got a choice now to take right option or not. There is a right option also. He need not take alcohol. He need not hurt his wife. He need not hurt his children. Right option is there in front. He knows very well it is wrong option. But his swabhava, his temperament is going wrong side. So there is a friction in the family. There is a friction in the society. Government opened so many wine bars. And so many clubs are also opened for wine. For money, they get lot of money. It is a wrong choice. Wrong option. They know it is wrong. How many families are destroyed by this wrong option? One person take a wrong option, wrong choice. How many families, how much society is afflicted? So therefore the Shraddha is there. What Shraddha? Alcohol Shraddha. Wrong side Shraddha. So he has an option to come towards right side. Right option. So Shraddha. Idayo Shraddha, adiyo Shraddha. இவனுக்கு இதுல ஸ்ரத்தா, சில பேருக்கு அதுல நல்ல விஷயம்ல ஸ்ரத்தா. ஸ்ரத்தல ஒரு ஸ்ரத்தானது ரைட்டும் இருக்கலாம், ராங்காவும் இருக்கலாம். It depends on his sattva, rajas, tamo guna. If it is tamasic shraddha, rajasic shraddha, change your temperament towards sattvic shraddha. Then your life is governed by Shastra, your life is governed by right options, and your life can be determined by your sattvic shraddha. You can achieve the higher goals in your life, which is more constructive. That's important. You can achieve higher goals means one person, yesterday I heard, that person's salary is 1 lakh. 1 lakh salary, highly orthodox family they came. 1 lakh salary, but a drunkard. Now tell me, a drunkard who is earning 1 lakh salary monthly, not yearly, okay. Monthly nowadays 1 lakh salary is nothing. It is minimum salary nowadays. 30,000 அது ஒரு சாலரியே இல்லை. மினிமம் 1 lakh. பூர்வ காலத்தில் 10,000 salary. அப்பா 10,000 No car driver is getting 10,000 nowadays. How can is it 10,000 salary? 1 lakh. Now tell me, that person is beating his wife. I got this news. Beating his wife and throwing things and all. He is achieving higher goal, earning 1 lakh of rupees. Where is he? He is lower than animal in human form. So that is not a constructive achievement. It is a destructive type of achievement. So this destructive type of achievement Shastra condemns. Our Vedic culture condemns. We don't want this corporate ladder to achieve higher goals, lakhs and lakhs of rupees without character, without samskara. We don't want such a society. So Lord Krishna carefully brings this, what type of Shraddha constructs the person's life, determines the human life in a right direction, and what type of Shraddha constructs the society in a right direction. So my life is connected to society. Society well-being is also connected to me. I am not an aloof person, I am in society. Therefore, this chapter is very, very, very important to all people to see each and every point how we have to implement into our life. Then, fourth shloka, Lord Krishna starting that Shraddha begins from Yajna. Let us take an example. Suppose how a person worship. That Shraddha can be expressed in the form of worship, I said. Shraddha cannot be seen. Shraddha can be expressed to a form of worship. Yajante satvikaha devan. Satvikaha, the sattvic people, their way of worship is a simple form of worship. Yajante devan. Sattvic devatas, they worship. How do you know they are worshipping Sattvic devatas, they are Sattvic? How do you know? Simple to know that Sattvic type of worship done by the Sattvic nature or Sattvic guna person, it helps to him, it contributes for spiritual growth. A puja, a type of worship, whom I choose, the God, the object. Deva means scripturally prescribed devatas they worship. Shastra vihita devatan. Not according to their temperament they worship the Lord. They worship the Lord who is prescribed in the Shastra to be worshipped. Because they have got Shastra Jnanam. Mostly Sattvic people go align with the Shastra. They are all Shastric people. Shastric people are called Sattvic people generally. Okay. Shastric people are those who go about their life align with Shastra. This Shastra na sollirke na pandren. This Shastra na sollirke na pandren. That's the Shastric people are all Sattvic people. They worship devatas. And that what is the contribution of that worship? That type of worship done by the Sattvic people, it helps the person to grow spiritually. Contribute for your spiritual growth. Devan, Sattvic people. Then Rajasaha, this is Rajasika Yajna. Rajasaha Yaksharakshamsi Yajante. That Yajante you have to supply. Rajasic people worship. Yajante means worship. Rajasic devatas. Yaksharakshamsi. Yaksha means Kubera, etc. Rakshamsi, Rakshasas, they worship. All Rajasic devatas. Rajasic means ferocious devatas. How to know? Because this person likes for material growth. They contribute Rajasic type of worship. The Rajasic nature person, the Swabhava, temperament is Rajasic. And the Rajasic temperament person never like these devatas which are worshipped by the Sattvic people. அவனுக்கு பிடிக்காது. இவனுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும்னா this Rakshasi devatas are Yaksha Rakshamsi. Raksha means exactly not Rakshasas. Raksha means they always protect you. They will take care of your material growth. In the devatas, Sattvic devatas always look at your spiritual growth. This Rajasic nature person, I don't want spiritual growth. I want material growth. So, when he wants material growth, his devatas are different. Those devatas who give materialistic benefits. They worship those devatas. We have got 33 கோடி தேவதாஸ். மேன் காட், உமன் காட், மேன் உமன் காட், அர்த்தநாரீஸ்வர, மேன் உமன் காட், மேன் அனிமல் காட், purely animal gods. So many. You have taken option. No. Lot of option given in our, like a supermarket madri, Kamadhenu. You have got lot of option to worship any god. Father worship one type of god, mother worship another type of god, children different type of god. Veetlo ella paatha oru, my father worship them, my mother worship this god, and children they like another gods, because they based on temperament. So therefore, what about tamasic people? Anye tamasa janaha, tamasic temperament. So first one, sattvic temperament. That means sattvika antaranga. Sattvic antaranga means that people whose mind is predominantly sattvic, very sober, very calm, very quiet, very simple. That people love those devatas. Those people mind which is rajasic, selfish, materialistic based, totally materialistic. எங்கேயாவது இடம் பார்த்தா இங்கே ஏதாவது ரியல் எஸ்டேட் வாங்கி நிறைய ஃப்ளாட் கட்டி பிஸ்னஸ் கொடுத்துள்ளான்னு. ராஜசிக் பீப்புள், நாட் ஃபார் சத்சங்கா. சத்சங்க பண்ண பணமே வராது, யார் கொடுப்பா? Who will give for satsanga? That we give business complex, lakhs and lakhs of rent they get. இல்லையா? அப்போ அங்கே சத்சங்கமே நடக்காது. எந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸில் எங்கே போனாலும் கூட சத்சங்கம். ஒரு வீட்டில் பார்த்தேன், 35 lakhs வச்சு வீடு கட்டினான். 35 lakhs, அஃப்கோர்ஸ் லோனு தான். இப்போ எல்லா இடத்துல லோன் கொடுக்குறாங்களே. They took loan from the bank and they constructed a house. You know where is the place for God they have given? Under the staircase. Under the staircase இல்லை, பாவம் கொஞ்சம் பரவாயில்ல. ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் என்ன போனால் அந்த வீட்டுக்கு, சுவாமினி வாங்கோ பாருங்கோ அண்ணா வீட்டுக்கு எங்கேயோ கட்டிட்டான். ரொம்ப டிஸ்டன்ஸில் என்ன எல்லாருக்கும் ஓன். நப்பு இப்போ ஃப்ளாட்ஸ் இல்லை, ஓன் இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஹவுஸு. இப்போ ஃப்ளாட்ஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டே போயிடுது. எல்லாருக்குமே இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஹவுஸ் வேணும். ஏதோ ஃப்ளாட்ஸில் இன்னும் ஃப்ரீடமே இல்லை சுவாமினி, ஓன் ஹவுஸ் வேணும்னு கட்டிட்டோம். 35 lakhs வச்சு ஸ்டேர் கேஸ். ஐ எம் கோயிங் அப் ஸ்டேர்ஸ். அப்படி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோர் டூப்ளெக்ஸ் காம்ப்ளீட் எல்லாம் இண்டிவிஜுவல் டூப்ளெக்ஸ். கீழே ஒரு ஹவுஸும் மேடியில். அப்புறம் ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் போகும்போது பக்கத்தில் என்ன கார்டு. அந்த ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில் பூஜா ரூம். இல்லை ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க நல்லா இருக்காதுன்னு சொல்லி அங்கே கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஷெல்ஃப் அழகாக ஒரு டிசைன் பண்ணி வுடன் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் எல்லாம் பண்ணி அங்கே ஓப்பனாக அப்படி வச்சுருக்கான் ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில். என்ன எங்கேயும் இடம் இல்லைன்னா எங்கேயோ காலி இருக்கு அங்கே பாப்பா. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ரிட்ஜுக்கு இடம் வேணும், வாட்டர் மிஷினுக்கு இடம் வேணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் டிவிக்கு வேணும். அது பெரிய டிவி வருது இப்போ, அதுக்கு இது வேணும். அப்கோர்ஸ் டபுள் காட்டு இதெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு எல்லாம் போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் கிரீன் ரூம் போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட் கார்டுக்கு எங்கே இடம். அப்போ லாஸ்ட் இந்த கான்ட்ராக்ட் எங்கேயாவது இடம் இருக்க பாருண்ணா. இங்கே தான் இருக்கு சார்ண்ணா. என்னண்ணா ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில் இல்லை கீழே ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் கீழே என்ன ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில். நான் பார்த்துட்டு வந்தேன் லாஸ்ட் மந்த் தான். ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க வீடு இந்த பகவானுக்கு ஒரு தனி ரூமு பகவானுக்கு கிடையாது. யார் அண்ணா அங்கெல்லாம் ரக்ஷாம்சி ராஜசாஹா. வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் தாமசிக் பீப்புள். அந்நே தாமசா ஜனாஹா, their way of worship is torturing other beings and they torture themselves in their worship. வந்தாச்சு ஆடி மாதம், நீங்கள் போய் பாருங்க அந்த பக்கம் எல்லாம். They torture themselves and they torture other beings also in the name of Bali, offering to the Lord. They torture. See, you are not supposed to torture any being in the name of offering to the Lord. That being which has got legs to run away, that being which has got legs to run away, you should not tie its legs and hands and offering to the Lord. They are offering that is called tamasic type of worship. அது என்னன்னா அந்த தேவதா லைக்ஸ் திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் ஃபுட். சப்போஸ் பூஷணிக்காய்க்கு காலு கை வந்ததுன்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன். பூஷணிக்காய் அமாவாசை நாள் வந்து உடைக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, and the Pushinikai. Suppose Pushinikai gets hands and legs. Amavasya varthukku munnadi odi poiduvaru. These people are going to break us. Let us run away from the shop. Night ellame kaali. Why we are breaking? Those, even though it is a prana there, we are not supposed to do that. Other beings which are running away from us to protect themselves. Pushinika is permitted not to break on the road, suppose. Okay. It is permitted because it has no hands and legs to run away. It is very, very less life is manifesting in that. It is permitted. Permitted, not on the road. Okay. You are not supposed to put on the road. And again, that person, somebody fall on that and get a fracture and he is in the orthopedic casualty somewhere now. So this type of worship is not ideal. Ejante tamasa janaha. Whom they worship? Pretan bhuta ganan. Bhuta peta prisachin. The black magic ella pannuvangale. Angella andha edathula. Negative forces anartham. Shakini, Dhakini contribute to abhicharika karmani. That type of worship. What is the benefit they get? They want to do. And the Tamil Nadu kutti chattana. So Madras lo I heard that people talking about this black magic. Black magic pannita adnal appalinde that person is not coming home properly anna. Ade adukku munnadi vara madri. Husband is not coming home anna. Idu black magic pannita anna. Not black magic. You do not know how to behave each other together. Yaar black magic panna madiyan. Manas paranga temperament, the way of thinking is like that. The black magic and what you think that only appears in the world. Okay. Bhuta Ganan means here group of celestials. Black magic like that. A type of ghost. Kutti Chatanana, a type of ghost. Ghost is that which moves with a life of Vayu. The Vayu tattvanlo da move aayinirukkum. Adukku physical body kadiyadu. It moves in the air. And there are people who believe that ghost. அது ஏதோ அது பிடிச்சிருக்கேன் அங்கெங்கேயோ போய் எலுமிச்சை படம் போய் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணு அது இதுன்னு சொன்ன உடனே they go on doing all those things. What to do? Bhutaganan pretan. They, ghost and all these spirits, they worship those gods. Next shloka we'll read. Ashastra vihitam ghoram. Tapyante ye tapojanaha. Dambhahankara samyuktaha. Kamaraga balanmitaha. See the object of worship over in the fourth shloka. What type of devatas they worship over. Now with what motive they worship. Mode of worship, motive of worship. Or method of worship, motive of worship. In 5 and 6 we can read it together because they are all put together one sentence. 6th shloka also. Karshayantas sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah mam chaivantas sharirastham tan vidhyasura nischayan. Some people follow without shastric knowledge. He says, Ashastram vihitam ghoram. Shastra jnana rahitaha. Ye janaha, those people Ye janaha, some people, ghoram tapaha tapyante. Ghoram tapaha means a severe austerity. Ghoram means a terrible. Bhayankaram. Very, very terrible. When they are practicing, you cannot go closer to them. And then, like that, they torture themselves. They punish themselves. They give pain to their body. Too much. It is terrible. That's called ghoram. Ghore tapaha. Severe tapaha means austerity. Hurting one's own body. Frightening austerities. Afflicting. They are afflicting. For what purpose they afflict? And some people afflict their body to get willpower, lot of powers. If I afflict more, I'll get more powers. What Ravana, Hiranyakashipu and did and all. Ravana also has got Shraddha. Hiranyakashipu also has got Shraddha. But what type of Shraddha? That is the Tamasic Shraddha, Rajasic Shraddha. And they afflict their body. Finally they use that willpower what? For the destruction of the whole world. So that type of willpower they want to earn. To earn that willpower, they take tapas, terrible tapas, frightening tapas. But you should not vote to that person, Appa, what a great tapas he is doing. Anna. We should have some mula, konja thinking power. He is punishing himself, hurting himself. What for he is doing? What is his motive behind that? Adi theriyanu. If you know the motive, the mode he is doing, the way he is doing, you be careful. Never encourage such a person. Ignore that person. Ignore that person. If anybody is doing such a type of tapas, never care for that. Because the person doing ashastra vihitam. It is not shastra vihitam, it is ashastra vihitam, which is not prescribed by the scriptures. How a powerful tapas he is doing is not the criteria there. With what motive he is doing, you have to see behind. His motive is a destructive motive. It is against to Shastra. It is not prescribed in Shastra. Whatever Ravana did tapas, or Hiranyakashipu did, or any Rakshasa, Asuric Sampat people, all of them, they did what their motive is, destructive motive. Therefore, be careful, never praise a person if they are practicing austerities. All austerities are not praiseworthy. When they are not praiseworthy, how do you know? They are not praiseworthy, they are not encouraging. How do you know now? When you know Shastra. If you do not know Shastra, you do not know what is praiseworthy, what is not praiseworthy, which tapas is good, which is not good, you do not know. And blindly you go behind that person, you encourage that person, now you are wonderful, you are great magic, great magician you are, and you have this and that and all, you praise that person. And what is this? And you are encouraging a destructive mind. Why you encourage? Because you don't know. This is called convention. Your achara, just, also, that is also a achara. Enna acharam? Ketta acharam. Convention. Acharam. This paramparaya acharama vandundirukku. You go and see in villages, in Adimasana, they beat, they cut their body and all. This acharama vandundirukku. This is a convention. Acharam. Acharam is also maybe good achara, bad achara also. Achara can go along with your temperament, maybe because of blind belief. Ashastra vihitam. That is called ghora karma. Dambha ahankara samyuktaha. When there is not Shastra vihitam, it is not prescribed by Shastra. There, in that austerity, in that tapas, always there is dambha, there is ahankara. Pride and vanity is there. They want to show. It is a show for them. Their tapas they want to show to others. A sattvic tapasic people, they never want to show other person. Even they don't want others to know when they are doing tapas. A simple discipline when you follow is a tapas. They don't want others to know. But these people, ashastra vihitam, they want to show others. That dambha, they are given to the pretension, they show out. And egoism, full of egoism, ahankara, samyuktaha, endowed with. There are 3 types of motives: selfless motive, selfish motive, harmful motive. Selfless motive, sattvic. Selfish motive, rajasic. And harmful motive is tamasic. When you follow certain rituals, some puja, some any type of worship, win-win condition. Win-win. Win-win theriyuma? The win-win situation and solluvan illaya. The win-win situation madre. That win-win approach. Sattvic. You can, one person is trying to get higher position, you are also trying to get higher position. Nothing wrong. It is not selfish. But selfish, win and lose approach. Win-lose approach. Our win ahattum, nanu win ahattum anna win-win approach. Okay? It is sattvic. Okay. Manu munneranam, nanu munneranam. Win-win approach, sattvic, okay. We can have good higher aspirations. Venda ani chollale life lo. You can have. But at the same time, second approach is win-lose approach. Win-loss approach. Naane win ahanam, avanikku varakudadu. That is selfish motive. Win-loss approach. Now society eppadi irukke? Win-loss illa swami, win-harmful motive. Avanikku loss varanum enna selfish motive. Loss mattume illa, inumela life la avan mela varakudadu. Next time at least mela varak முடியாமலே பண்ணணும்னா அது இன்னும் மோசமானது. தாமசிக். வின் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் அப்ரோச். நானே வின் ஆகணும். எப்போவுமே அவனு இனிமேல வரக்கூடாது மேல. லைக் அவர் பாலிட்டிஷியன்ஸ். வின் அப்ரோச்சா, வின் லாஸ் அப்ரோச்சா, வின் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் அப்ரோச்சான்னு டேஞ்சரஸ். அதான் டிஸ்ட்ரக்டிவ் மோட்டிவ் அர்த்தம். டிஸ்ட்ரக்டிவ் மோட்டிவ் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல். Why they do that? Kama, raga, bala, anvitaha. They are endowed with brutal power. Balam means power. What power? Balam, kama, raga, anvitam. That power endowed with kama and raga. With attachment, with out of desire. What type of desire? Ashubha kama. Ashubha kama. Ange sollala. When it is said ashastra vihitam anna, shastram la prescribe pannadadanna, adappo what type of kama? Ashubha kama only. Shubha kama shastra encourage. Sattvic people also have got shubha kama, shastra encourage. You can have plenty of desires, shubha kamana. It is good also. We require also. But ashubha kama, bad desires, hurting others, harmful to others, the win-loss approach, win-harmful approach is the main problem in the present society. Cutthroat problem. Cutthroat. All culprits are coming, no? The minds are really pure minds will become corrupted minds. When you have kama, raga, against Shastra, universal law, you go against to that. You can violate man-made laws, but you cannot violate universal laws made by the Lord. Dharma. Dharma alone is God. God alone is Dharma. Because if you go against to that, you have to pay the price. No one can stop. universal laws. You can escape from the man-made laws detection வந்து தப்பிக்கலாம். எப்படி நம்ம கிராஸ் சிக்னல் தாண்டி வரோமோ, ராங் சைடில் போயிட்டு இருக்கோமா இல்லையா? நிறைய வைட்டு ஹியூமன் லாஸ், ஆல் த ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் ஆல் வி ஆர் வைலேட்டிங். பரவாயில்ல, யூ கேன் ஃப்ரம் தட் டிடெக்ஷன், தே டூ நோ டிடெக்ஷன், மெட்டல் டிடெக்டர் வச்சு அந்த ஏர்போர்ட்டில் ஸ்டேஷன்ஸில் டிடெக்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பா. ஆல் த எமிஷன்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங் இன் டு த ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன். எப்படி வருதோ தெரியல. ஆல் பாம்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங். ஹவு தே ஆர் கம்மிங்? யூ கேன் cover their eyes, local police, CBI people, but you cannot cover the eye of that Lord. Who is central CBI? Who is that? Supreme CBI, Bhagavan. Bhagavan eyes can never be closed. You can never escape from the detection of the Lord. That if he remembers all the time, he will never go wrong. You can escape from the detection of the local police people, but the Lord is the highest police officer, the final police officer. You cannot escape. இது எப்போ தெரியும்னா, சாஸ்திரத்திலன்னு இருக்கணும். சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சுட்டே இருந்த பாபம் பண்றதுக்கு பயப்படணும். I have to feel ashamed to commit a wrong thing. I have to feel shy. I have to feel, பாப்ப பயம் இருக்கணும். தப்பு பண்றதுக்கு வெக்கப்படணும், பயப்படணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு வரணும்னா சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சா ஆல்வேஸ் இட் கீப்ஸ் யூ அண்டர் ஃபியர். வை? பிகாஸ் இட் சாஸ்திரா வில் நாட் அலவ் யூ டு கோ ராங் சைடு. நல்லது தானே அந்த ஃபியர். ஓகே, எதுக்கோ பயப்படுறானே, சாஸ்திரத்துக்கு பயப்படுறது நல்லதுதான், குருவுக்கு பயப்படுறது நல்லதுதான், அம்மாவுக்கு பயப்படுறது நல்லதுதான், அப்பாவுக்கு பயப்படுறது நல்லதுதான். அது எதுக்கு பயப்படணும்? அதுக்கு பயப்படணும். பயப்பட்டாதான் நல்லது, நமக்காக தான். Therefore, காம ராக பல அன்விதாக. So, சம்பிராப்தஸ்ய விஷயே காமஹ, பிராப்தஸ்ய விஷயே ராகஹ. Once I want to get one thing, I desire that. I want it, I want it, I want. பிராப்தஸ்ய விஷயே காமஹ. இது வேணும் எனக்கு ஒரு டிசைர். வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்னன்னா, இது எனக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும், யாருக்கும் போகக்கூடாது. அதுக்குதான் some people new notes and all, they don't want to give outside. New notes and tens and hundreds and all, very rarely you get suppose 500s. They want to keep until it become old. They don't want to give to anybody until it becomes old. Simple things la இருக்கும் போது பெரிய பெரிய விஷயம் சொல்லணுமா? காம ராக பிராப்தஸ்ய விஷய ராகஹ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகம் இது படிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையோ? மீனிங் கர்ஷயந்தஹ ஷரீரஸ்தம் அச்சேதசஹ. These people are all indiscriminative people. Whoever does their worship with dambha and ahankara, with kama and raga, they are all indiscriminative people. They torment, karshayantaha, making the body, emaciating their body, thinning the body. In some religions, and the Jains, they follow too much austerities. They want to develop this tolerance power. They pull their own hair. மொட்டை அடிச்சுடுவா. என்ன, they need not go to barber shop, they themselves pull. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இது. Like that there are so many in Hindu dharma also, people follow so many painful karshayanti, making the body thin. Krishi kurvantaha ityarthaha. What? Bhutagramam sarirastham. What they torment? Where they give pain to their own organs in the body. Sense organs obtaining in the body. Bhutagramam means group of sense organs obtained in their own body, they torment. They give pain. In the process, what are they doing, Arjuna? They are really giving pain to me only. Bhagavan says, Mam eva anta sharirastham karshayanti. Sharirastham bhutagramam, when they are giving pain to their own sense organs, really they are giving pain to me who is residing in the body. Antaha sharirastham. I am residing in their body, they do not know that. They are giving pain to me. Narayana, Naranam, Ayanam. I am the abode of human beings. I am in the human being's body. Deho Devalaya Proktaha Sajivaha Kevala Shivaha. Narayana is there in their body. They are giving pain to me. Here, Viddhitan Asurin Nischayan. May you know all of them to be as Asuric resolve. Their sankalpa is Asuric type of resolution. It is not, that's why too much fasting, too much vratams and all people following, Shastra never recommend. The people who follow too much, what you can call tapas and all, they are unfit for yoga, they are unfit for jnana yoga, karma yoga, they can never come for Vedanta study. Their mind will never mature. That's why reduce. Therefore, Shastra says, avoid immediately that tamasic type of temperament. That temperament leads to you to tamasic type of worship, tapas. And slowly come out of rajasic tapas, rajasic type of worship. Come out of that slowly. Immediately give up tamasic. Slowly give up rajasic. Then slowly take up to sattvic type of worship, sattvic type of gods, sattvic type of temperament developed by cognitive change. So don't torture yourself. Don't torture other people. Don't torture other beings. Don't torture me, Arjuna, Vidhi Mam. So these people are asuric in nature. Tan Vidhi. May you know. So understand this properly. Understand this. Next shloka. Aharastvapi sarvasya Trividho bhavati priyaha Yajnastapastatha danam Tesham bhedamimam shrunu. Now, may you listen. Shrunu, may you listen. What? Bhedam, imam bhedam. The distinction, the difference. Distinction between what? Tesham bhedam. Tesham of those. Imam bhedam, about their division. About whose division? The first topic is over now. The type of worship is over. Yajna prakaraha, the method, motive and all over. Now he is going to second topic, food. Food is the second topic. 3 types of food. Trividaha, yajnaha, priyaha bhavati, over. Trividaha, aharaha, priyaha bhavati. Depend on their temperament, they like this type of worship. Similarly, depend upon their nature, sattvic nature, rajasic nature, tamasic nature, they like food also. Trividha aharaha priyaha bhavati. Similarly, trividham danam priyam bhavati. Aharaha danam yajnaha trividha tapaha priyaha bhavati. Tapas also, 3 types of tapas they love, based on their temperament. All these meant to Rajasic, Tamasic, you have to avoid. For that avoidance sake, Lord Krishna is talking now. First, ahara, priyaha sarvasya. By everyone, food is liked, is also threefold. Tatha yajnaha api sarvasya trividaha bhavati. Tapaha api sarvasya trividaha bhavati, priyaha bhavati. दानम् अपि त्रिविधं भवति. सात्विक दानं, राजस दानं, तामसिक दानं. सात्विक आहार, राजस आहार, तामसिक आहार. सात्विक तपस्, राजसिक तपस्, tamasic tapas. Then, like that, three-fold we have to see. Shrunu. I am going to talk about those divisions. So, third topic is yajnaha. Fourth topic is tapaha. Fifth topic is danam. He is going to explain elaborately in future shlokas. So, we can follow what, we can avoid what, and we have to understand. 8th shloka. Ayus sattva balarogya sukha priti vivardhanaha rasya snigdha sthira hridyaha ahara satvika priyah. Now let us see 3 types of food liked by 3 types of people. Whole world Lord Krishna dividing into 3 groups. நமக்கு எத்தனை குரூப் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்றோம். பகவான் சொல்றாரு எல்லாருமே comes in 3 groups அப்பா. சாத்விக் குரூப், ராஜசிக் குரூப், தாமசிக் குரூப். இப்போ நம்ம எந்த குரூப்புக்கு வர போறோம்? 17th chapter கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றதுக்குள்ள நமக்கு புரிஞ்சு போயிடும். Now let us see first what type of food we are liking. Are we are interested in sattvic food, rajasic food, tamasic food? Now Lord Krishna is talking about sattvic food. Sattvic food, a person whose temperament is sattvic swabhava, what type of food he likes? That food which gives, increases a lifespan. Ayuhu. Aharaha, those foods which are contributing for ayush, lifespan to increase, longevity, which increase the longevity, that food he likes. And sattvam, that food which gives mental strength. Sattva means mental strength. That food only liked by sattvic people. He will not follow doctor's prescribed food. Mental strength ivanukku venum. Doctor talking about physical strength. Shastra talking about the mental strength. That food he likes. Balam, physical strength, liked by the doctor says egg is good and சொல்லுவான். எக்கு கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடலாம், அது நல்லது சொன்ன இவன் என்ன சொல்லுவான்? நான் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். He won't touch that egg. Why? It may give physical strength, the doctor, but it is not good for mind. He avoids. Sattvic nature people never touch even eggs. Even இன்னும் சொல்ல போனா garlic கூட தொட மாட்டான். That's why even some people, they don't take, orthodox people, they don't touch medicines. டேப்லெட்ஸே போட்டுக்க மாட்டான். அதுக்கு என்ன தெரியும், அதில் ஏதோ கார்டியோர் ஆயில் போட்டு ஃபிஷ் ஆயில் கீழ் எல்லாம் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடுப்பா, பீர் கொஞ்சம் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவான், எல்லாப்பா இந்த மெடிசின்ஸே எனக்கு வேண்டான்னு சொல்லி இந்த கஷாயம் குடிச்சுடுவான். We'll see more in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.